Foshan JinTian Packing Machinery Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of automatic packing machine and accessories. We are located in Foshan City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. JinTian is specialized in researching, designing, manufacturing, and marketing packaging machines which are widely used in different fields such as foods, chemicals, pharmacies, beverage, light industry, etc. JinTian has a modern workshop, a professional R&D team, and advanced manufacturing equipment to make your needs meet in the shortest time. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as US, UK, Italy, Spain, Canada, Mexico, South Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With high-quality machines and quick professional service, JinTian consistently win a high reputation. For expanding sales channel and enlarge our business, we are sincerely looking for exclusive agents in different countries. You are warmly welcomed to contact us.